get out here. Oh my god. Anyway, it's hard to get out here. Fireworks! It's cold up here. Boo!
Hey, you! Sneaking up on us! Fireworks! Good to see you out of the house. Yeah, don't, man.
Hi.
Hi. You want to sit down over there?
Yeah.
Sit on this blanket. Move over and let her have some of that blanket.
Ow. Play over here. Oh, here.
There you go.
No, you didn't like the outside noise.
That's far away.
Matt. Oh, I thought you seen it. Oh. Glad you came out, Louie.
You couldn't see it from the bedroom, could you?
Yeah.
Good?
I couldn't.
Not with that bright Speedway Cafe sign. Yeah, that's a nice one. I like purple. Yeah, I do too. I love purple.
Why do I hear screaming?
There's people on the ride.
The rides are still going?
Yeah, they are.
Oh.
I used to like downtown on July 3rd when they played the music to go with the fireworks. You were there a few times. Weren't you, Alan? You were younger, but. Oh, yeah, it's Chicago. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see one of the ride lights.